Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to straight pipe a Ram 1500. First, always prioritize safety and legality. Research your local noise and emissions laws, as straight piping can lead to fines or penalties. Gather essential tools such as a jack stands, a wrench set, and a cutting tool. Make sure your truck is securely lifted and stable on a flat surface before you begin any work. Now, let's get to removing the old exhaust. Begin by locating and disconnecting any oxygen sensors in the exhaust system. Next, loosen and remove the bolts from the exhaust clamps and hangers that secure the muffler and resonator. You might need to use a penetrating oil to help loosen rusty bolts. Carefully cut or unbolt the sections of the exhaust you intend to replace with the straight pipe, ensuring not to damage other components. With the old system out, it's time to install your new straight pipe. Measure and cut the straight pipe sections to ensure a precise fit for your Ram 1500. Once fitted, securely clamp or weld the new pipe sections into position. Ensure all connections are tight to prevent leaks. Don't forget to reconnect any oxygen sensors you disconnected earlier, as they are crucial for engine performance. Before hitting the road, perform some crucial final checks. Double-check all clamps and connections to ensure they are tight and free of leaks. Start your Ram 1500 and listen carefully for any unusual noises or exhaust leaks. Remember, straight piping can significantly increase noise levels and may impact your vehicle's warranty and resale value. Always be mindful of local noise ordinances.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.